KidsVision TV.
First, I am drawing its face. Now I am drawing its arm and its body. Let's draw a mustache. Now I am drawing its tail. Let's draw with me. Let's draw our waves. I'm going to colors. Now you can color with me. Red color. I am coloring in shell. I am coloring in waves. Red color. Now I am coloring in tail. Light green color. I am coloring in tail.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo.
Blue color. I am coloring in a waves. Yellow color. I am coloring in blue and its nose.
Little red wagon painted
It's time to color its waves and its tail.
blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my
Light pink color. I am coloring in blue and waves and its tail.
two. Off to Texas, 2x2. Off to
I am coloring in wave.
2x2. Skip
And
to my
now
loo, my
I am coloring in
darling.
tail.
Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
And the last one. This is the last wave. Purple color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
What'll